It's been a little over 2 weeks since I've given an update. These were plants that were bought at Lowe's as starter plants. Transplanted them just a little over 2 weeks ago. These things have doubled and tripled in size. The tomato plants are just really blowing up. But I have peppers, tomato plants, some herbs going on. Everything's doing real well. These smaller grow channels are for your vegetables and doing hydroponic stuff. I'm using our proprietary soilless mix and our recycled amended soil from last year, kind of mixing it up a little bit all throughout the grow system. This system is absolutely expandable in size. The bigger grow channels here are for plants that have a lot more root mass, more vigorous root growth. And of course we have the patented brewer, which feeds the system, and that's where you put all your nutrients. A lot of benefits to this right here. It only runs on 40 watts and it is gravity fed out to the system, closed loop. The water and nutrients serpentines through these grow channels and ultimately comes back down through this 2-inch back to the reservoir. You could do compost teas in here. There's a filter that's housed in here for doing compost teas, tea tinctures, what have you. This is how you control the flow that comes out of your brewer. You can actually put that to the off position and actually do a brew in there for 18-24 hours before you release it out to your grow system. There's a lot of things to this system that people don't realize, and how easy it is to operate. Once you plant it, you really don't do anything else other than just add nutrients to your system. This here does have a self-watering float valve, so that is attached to my garden hose, so I don't even have to add water to this system. That float valve does the job for me. So that just shows you how hands-off this system can be. And there again, it is expandable. If you're wondering about that picture at the beginning of this video, excuse me, that was a picture taken in January 2017 in my home. And you guys' guess is as good as mine to what it is, but it's something not from this world, not something I've ever seen, and it absolutely is an authentic picture. So with the update, I figured I'd share that with you too and take it for what it's worth, man. But it's kind of interesting and kind of creepy at the same time. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for tuning in. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Stay tuned. You guys should really try this stuff, man. So easy. Real easy. See ya.